What's up YouTube, my name's Will and today is finally the day, like nearly a year and a bit on or something, that I get the coilovers on the A3. Now, I know I said that me and Ben were going to do it. It's since basically been discovered that it's nigh on impossible for us to do it where we are, because I don't have a lift, I don't have access to like totally flat ground, like stable ground that we can somehow jack the car up and like stand it high enough above the ground to actually do what we need to do to make doing the coilovers an easy job. So instead I'm on my way up here to my good friend Kyle, who owns Lightricks Autos in Clondalkin, and he is going to put them on for me, and then we're going to see what the car looks like after it's been lowered. I apologise for everyone who was waiting for the video of like a how-to of how to do it, but I'm sure there will be times in the future where there is a particular vehicle where it's slightly easier, or you know, I do actually have access to better ground to do it on, or a lift of my own to be able to actually do a tutorial on how to do it. But nonetheless guys, coilovers are going on the car today and I am fucking stoked. Oh my god, the day I've had. I had to dropped it off this morning, left the keys with the garage here next door because Kyle wasn't in yet, so that was grand, no problem. He knows that that's what I do if he's not here. Now I get a call like 2 hours later, there's still a lock and wheel nut on one of your wheels, where's the key? I said it's not in the car. Wasn't in the car. So I then had to get somebody to give me a lift from my job into my house to go and get the lock and wheel nut key, and then get a lift from my house back up to Clondalkin to give them the lock and wheel nut key. But it's done and it looks sick. Alright, so actually a bit of daylight so you can see what's going on. This is what we're working with now, boys. I like it. It's not like too savagely low, because up there where I come in the gate there's like a spud in the middle that's like 100mm off the floor, so obviously I can't have it too low, else I'll just rip the absolute sump off the bottom of it. But I think it looks good. Like the main thing that annoyed me about this car before was the fact that like the back end was like tilted up, and this has basically made it squat down so it's all nice and level. And the fitment on this is insane. Like I can only just about get my hand lovely. I can only just about get my hand in there, but it's really, really good. I love it. There's a new shock in there with the eye-back springs at the back. Not to be able to see much, but there's the MTS shocks in there now. And I am pretty goddamn happy with that. I just thought I'd show you a view from the back because it looks absolutely sick. Now I will say this is like, I actually have been driving this now for maybe a week, 2 weeks since like the intro to this video, and the handling on it is so much better. So much better. Like it feels like there's basically nearly no body roll anymore when I'm going around corners and stuff. And especially now that combined with the next video that I'm going to do, which is going to be installing the Ultra Racing front strut bar, I feel like it's just going to feel like it's on rails. Yeah, like I say, it's insane. I highly recommend coilovers to anybody, to be honest. Like I've wanted to put coilovers on one of my cars since I was a little kid, and I've just never had the money or the time to do it. So now that that is the case, and I've actually finally got them on the car, so fucking happy. And if you guys want, I might do like a 6-month review or a year review of driving with these coilovers, in case you want to get them from your own car and you're kind of worried about the like wear and tear on them, or how good they are over time, or whether it affects the like how comfortable the car is to be in and stuff like that. I can do a review. I can say for now, like, they are fairly stiff, but I still think they're fine. You have to kind of take it easy going over speed bumps, but sure, you would do that anyway if you're on coilovers. But yeah, really happy with these MTS Tecknik coilovers, and they come with IBAC springs, so really good, kind of mid-range. I think they were like, I think it was like 600 or 700 quid, including like postage from Poland and stuff. And then sure, I had to throw Kyle a bit of money to stick them on the car for me, but other than that, great job. Yeah, really good. Myself and Dude are now off to the vets, but I'm gonna outro this video, guys. So if you enjoyed this little video, then please do give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel, where we will continue to be doing mods to this car over time. Money's kind of tight at the minute, but I do have some stuff that I've already bought that just isn't on the car, and I do have other stuff that like I'm trying to save for, so that we can finish this project off in the near future. So if you want to stick around and watch those videos, make sure you're subscribed. Again, like I said at the start of the video, I apologize that this video is just kind of more of a vlog than it is like a tutorial on how to change the coilovers. But me and Ben just simply do not have the time at the minute. Like, you can see the time gap between the last time I posted a video about this car and now. Me and Ben have just been absolutely flat out. Like, obviously we both have full-time jobs, we both have partners. Like, I have a dog, and yeah, life just got in the way, and I figured, like, what's the point in having spent the money on these coilovers if they're not on the car? So I just said, fuck it, I'll take them up to Kyle. He'll do me a good deal of service, like the great lad he is, and just get them on the car to enjoy them. And we can move on to the next stage of the plan for your guys' faces, because I wasn't going to do the strut bar video until I had the coilovers on, since it's kind of like, you'll see with the strut bar video, but in order to install the coilovers you would have had to take the strut bar back off, so it's kind of pointless to do it the other way around. So I needed the coilovers before I did that video, hence the lack of videos since the last one. I feel like I just said videos like 10,000 times, but anyway, nonetheless guys, I am going to shut up now, and I will see you in the next one.